In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low speaker sound issues on your Android phone. First, adjust the volume and limits. Use the side volume buttons, tap the three dots on the volume slider, and make sure all sound levels, media, calls, notifications are set to high. Next, clean the speaker grills. Dust and lint can block sound, so use a soft bristled brush, a toothbrush, or compressed air to carefully clean the speaker openings. Then, disable Bluetooth and check audio routing. Turn off Bluetooth to make sure the sound isn't being sent to a paired device like earbuds or a speaker. Finally, restart your phone. A simple reboot can often fix temporary glitches that affect speaker performance. And that's it. That's how you can fix low speaker volume on your Android device.